Stop scrolling. These dog breeds can outrun almost anything, and the last one moves like lightning. You'll be lucky today if you like, subscribe, and share this video until the end. Most people think they know which dog is the fastest, but almost everyone gets this wrong. Number 5, Doberman Pinscher. Built like an athlete, this dog explodes into speed when it starts running. Number 4, German Shepherd. It doesn't just run fast, it stays fast longer than most breeds. Number 3, Saluki. This ancient hunter was literally bred to chase prey across endless deserts. Number 2, Greyhound. People assume this is number 1, but there's still one dog even faster. Watch carefully. Number 1. Whippet. This dog is smaller, lighter, and insanely quick. This dog accelerates so fast it looks unreal. Did you expect this dog to be number 1? Watch again and comment your guess.